You know, today we got a car in the shop with a failing turbo. So we went to Federated Auto Parts and picked up a replacement from Standard. Now, most people were familiar with Standard's line of new and reman diesel turbos, but they also cover 40 different applications for gas engines. Now, this is the TBC 583, and look at that cute little thing. It's like the size of a quarter. Look at that thing right there. It's crazy, right? Now, these turbos fit GM 1.4-liter engines used in the Chevy Cruze and the Buick Encore. And you can see, it's just not a cheap, cleaned-up unit. All the turbos from Standard come ready to install right out of the box. It looks like we've got everything we need to do the job right here. Which brings me to another point. There are a few things to pay attention to whenever you're replacing the turbo. Obviously, since these things spin at over 100,000 RPM, they're in need of constant lubrication with clean oil. So the first step is to change your oil filter and your oil, and inspect your oil feed and your drain line. You also want to inspect your PCV system. A faulty PCV system can actually cause blow-by, and that results in loss of power and fuel economy, as well as causing oil contamination. And finally, since the turbo is all about moving extra air through the engine, you want to make sure to install a new quality air filter, okay? Find the Standard turbo application that's right for your vehicle at your local Federated Auto Parts.